Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Pui Designs. Today I want to give an update of a shirt that I made like 9 months ago. I did sublimation on it. I created the design in Canva, put it together in Canva, and then I sublimated on it. And today, like 9 months ago, I want to give you an update how the shirt is doing, how it's upholding with the sublimation. Okay, this is the shirt that I did 9 months ago. Let me tell you, I've been wearing this shirt like once a week, like for the last 9 months, okay? And let me tell you, this type of shirt is really good for sublimation, especially now with graduation season and you need white shirts for sublimation. Let me tell you, get the Michael's sublimation shirt. The brand is Make. It has Make on the label, and it's 100% polyester. And let me tell you about this shirt. This shirt is amazing. It's amazing. It will sit like really nice on you, like really snug and really good. It doesn't really stretch, but it's 100% polyester. When you sublimate on it, it absorbs the ink really well. Sublimation polyester, it absorbs the ink really well, and your colors will be very vivid and lively. I'm telling you, because I have it on now. This is the shirt I'm talking about. And the other thing is it can be stained. Let me tell you, it can be stained. We have things in this house that we eat that if they get to your clothes, it doesn't come off. Even if you wash it with bleach, it doesn't come off. This shirt, when something falls on it, you just go in the bathroom, put some soap on it and water, and like wash it off, and then throw it in your washing machine and wash it. Wash the whole shirt. Stains don't stay on it. It doesn't absorb stain. And also, like I said, it doesn't stretch. Doesn't stretch, really stretch. It sits really well. The neck here, it does not stretch. This is the Michael's Make brand shirt, 100% polyester. If you need shirts, go get it. I've watched it like tens of times, maybe even hundreds. I wash it by hand. I wash it in a washing machine. It holds up perfect. I'm telling you, if you want a very good and sturdy shirt that doesn't stretch, it doesn't flop and all that, this is the shirt for you. I'm telling you, it holds up really well. Try it. Go buy it and try it. You will see that I'm not lying. Look, the color is still so vivid, and just like I did it the same day, it's still vibrant and all. Go try it. I think you can also use it for HTV. You can also use it for HTV, DTF, and all those things. But for sublimation, I can testify about the sublimation. It does not fade. It doesn't fade. It doesn't stretch. It stays the same. It's 100% polyester. Other tips that I want to give you about this shirt. One of the things is that you wear it once and you wash it. Like if you wear it in the morning, you can't wear it in the afternoon because of the polyester. It will hold up like if you sweat a little bit, it will hold up on it. So you can only wear it once every washing. Like you wear it once and you wash it. Though you can wear it, like I wear it in the morning, wear it in the afternoon again. No, wear it once. But it's very, when you wash it and you wear it, you know what you have on. It's really snug, really tight, really good, I can tell you. And this is a extra large. This is an extra large. I'm telling you, if you need a sublimation shirt that will hold up on the color, it doesn't fade, that will be nice and snug on your body, very nice, sturdy, high quality, get the Michael's Make shirt. 9 months and it's still, the color is still vibrant. Let's go and see. 9 months and the color is still there, vibrant. I'm telling you, go get it. And if you have experiences with Michael's shirt, with this shirt, let me know in the comment section below. I want to know how what experience you have had with these shirts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.